Hello friends! Today I'm taking this free 70s desk and turning it into something more my style. I'm very amateur at furniture restoration, so this isn't a how-to. All of the tools and products I'm using in this video were already in my parents' garage, but if I do run out in the future, I'm excited to find more sustainable options for flips. I started by trying to sand off the old finish, wearing a mask of course so that the sawdust doesn't get in my lungs. In my quest to become more analog, I found joy in learning how to refinish pieces. It's a great way to be outside and take something unwanted and give it new life. I love being outside, listening to the birds, and exercising my patience muscle, which is very difficult for me. As you'll see in my final product, I should have taken a bit more time to do things right, but I fell into that future mindset of visualizing the piece in my room and rushed a few key steps. The finish was stubborn, so I switched to using Citrus Strip, a biodegradable paint stain remover. I then removed the hardware on the drawers to polish them up. After 30 minutes, I scraped off the Citrus Strip and the old finish. I added another layer to the side panel and covered the drawers. Aren't the birds just lovely in this? I've realized recently that nearly every outdoor space has birds if you look and listen hard enough. It's a great tool when I'm feeling distracted from the present to recenter myself and pay attention to them. Next, I took some mineral spirits and an old rag and removed the remaining citrus strip. The next day, the desk was looking pretty good, but I went in with sander and steel wool to try to get the remaining stain off. I did not do a great job at getting rid of all of the citrus strip, which caused a couple of uneven areas in the final product. Once that was done, I took my dark walnut stain and started adding it to the wood. Another round of polishing for the brass poles. Now, I still hated the laminate top, and I decided to go ahead and paint it green. I should have sanded this a lot better to prep the surface, and just done one layer of paint at a time. It's coming together here as I'm screwing the hardware back in and adding a final detail. Here is the final product. I'm overall happy with how it turned out, with a much more modern stain and color accents. The top isn't perfect, so if anyone has any tips, please comment them, but it's not about creating something perfect. For me, this process was creating something of my own and transforming someone's junk into a usable piece for telework. As an action item from today's video, I'm hoping you can go outside and just listen to the birds today, even just for a minute. Thank you, friends, for watching. See you in the next one.